Well, welcome to Study Guide Forum. In this video, we're going to calculate the work done by a force. The question says that a constant force of 80 Newton acting on a body initially at rest gives it an acceleration of 0.2 meter per second square for 8 seconds. Calculate the work done. So in this case, it means that it started from rest. So for us to calculate the work done, we need to find the final velocity, and we can use the equation of motion to do that. Equation of motion. So in this, it means that the initial velocity is 0. Acceleration was 0.2 times time, which is 8. That will give us 1.6 meter per second. 1.6 meter per second. Another thing that is important here now is the mass. We don't know the mass, but we know that our force is 80 Newton. And also to calculate force means that equal to mass times acceleration. And we have our acceleration. Our acceleration is here. That means mass 80 Newton equal to acceleration, which is this 0.2 meter per second square times mass, which we don't know. So making mass the subject of the formula, we have 80 over 0.2. That will give us 400 kilogram. So that is now all. Now we have our mass, we have our final velocity. Now to calculate the work done we can use, since is in motion, we can use kinetic image, which is mass over velocity squared. So then our mass is 400 and our velocity is 1.6 squared, and then divide by 2. If we divide by 2, our final answer will be 512 joule. Thank you so much.